HillbillyNitro. Here we are, guys, back with another episode. Today is our little subject is a cool new little EDC tool I picked up. EDC tool slash keychain, I guess you would call it. As you can see, I have a little thing for collecting little keychains and little S-beaners here. So, figured we'd open this up. I bought this at a local hardware store, but you can find these online. Bought this at an Ace hardware store, but you can find these pretty much anywhere online. They range from about 10 bucks to about 16 from what I've seen. I paid 15 bucks for this one, and I don't know, I guess it's probably worth 15 bucks. It's pretty cool, so we'll check it out here. Open her up. I have already had it opened up and tested it out a little bit, so I could give you guys a little opinion on it, whatever that's worth. So here we are. It comes with a little leather slip and some little instructions. Here we are. Here's our tool here. So it's a 20-in-1 tool, and I'd say most of those 20 tools that it claims to have is they work. So the only thing that I found that didn't really work on this is it has a bicycle spoke wrench. Doesn't fit any of the spokes that I tried. I tried it on 3 different bicycles. 2 of them being GT bicycles, a GT mountain bike, my GT BMX, and a old school Raleigh 10-speed. So didn't fit on any of those, so I don't know. You can see it's got it turns here. It's got little detents that it sets in. Now when I bought this, I thought this was brass, and I was like, I don't know if that's gonna hold up with the screwdrivers here. So we have some like little mini Phillips screwdrivers, but it's not brass. It's actually steel. I took a magnet to it. But here's the specs on it here. Let you check them out. And there's what all it says it has. It says gold titanium coated disc. That's what I thought was brass. Guess it might help if I read the package when I bought it. There's what it says it is, and there's the other part of the package. Anyways, but yeah, I tested it out. Screwdrivers work fine. The wire stripper on it here, you can see, has a little razor blade in there, carbon razor blade. Turn right here and you have a wire stripper. Stick your wire right in there. Strips wire, and it does do that fine. This is for your, I guess, a little nail pick. Get dirt out from underneath your fingernails. Maybe I can have that, use that for the guys that hound me about having dirty fingernails, at least in one of my videos. I left my fingernail dirty in there just to make the people with OCD jump out of the woodworks. But there she is. Let's see, you can read what it is there. A medium screwdriver. There's a mini flathead. There's a small Phillips. These are not full Phillips, but they do work. You see there. And it just rotates 360 degrees either way. You can hear those detents. Locks in pretty good. I'll let you hear it real good. Locks in pretty good. We have a wrench here, and these do work pretty good. I tested them out. We have there's a 5/16 and a 1/4. You can actually use the little screwdriver bits. You know, those little screwdrivers that have different bits. You can actually turn this, stick your bit in there, and use it just like a little wrench. won't stay in there very well, but it does work. And we have a little mini pry bar here, and it works all right. I pried on some stuff with it. I didn't put it to the task really something major. I didn't want to scratch it up for the video. So there's some jimping here. I guess that would be for your bicycle wrench, that spoke wrench that didn't work for me. Has a little measuring tape there, up to 2 inches. And this is what I find cool. It's got a little file on the back of it. And it files pretty good. This is about like a Swiss Army knife. True utility. FIXR. Yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to do a little video on it. Pretty cool little rig. And let's show you what this, I guess you could put it on your keychain or in your pocket or whatever, and keep from the sharp edges digging in, won't get scratched up. Or keep it from getting scratched up. Not that that really matters to me. Stick it down in a little leather slip there, and you're good to go there. It's got a little weight to it, and I brought the scales out just to give you an idea. And my scales will not flip over to ounces. The mode button does not work, so we have to do it in grams. So 41.1 grams. You can Google a conversion table over if you don't know. Plenty of conversion tables on Google that'll tell you what that is in ounces. Yeah, it's a pretty cool little tool. I like these little tools. You know, there's a ton of them out there, but a lot of them I don't see very practical use. But it seems like screwdrivers kind of attract me to this one. Here's an old one I've had for a while. It's just a little pry bar can opener, and it's got some wrench features, and not very useful in my book. Never tried it. This is from the Night Eyes. That's where he makes all these little S-spinners here. Yeah, I just thought we'd do a little keychain video here, because I'm probably gonna put this in my EDC rotation. Even though I do have the let's see here. Even though I do have the Cadet with the flathead screwdriver, it doesn't have a Phillips. But yeah, new little tool. I thought I'd give you guys a little show and tell on, and maybe I'll do a little update video and throw it in one of my knife videos and let you guys know how it's working. If it fails me, if it fails me, breaks or whatever in any way, I'll let you guys know. But it seems pretty sturdy. That's gonna wrap it up, guys. Just thought I'd do this little video, so thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Hillbilly over and out of here. Peace.